In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get live data on Tradingview. If you've ever opened a chart and noticed that prices seem delayed, or you see a delayed data label, that usually means you're not viewing a real-time market feed. Getting live data allows you to see price movements as they happen, which is essential if you're day trading, scalping, or just want the most accurate picture of the market. Let's walk through how to enable live data directly from your Tradingview chart. First, open any chart in Tradingview. At the upper left of your chart, you'll see the symbol box. This is where the current ticker symbol is displayed, along with the exchange it's coming from. Click directly on that symbol area. When you click it, a panel or drop-down will open, showing you more information about the instrument you're viewing, along with different options for data sources and related markets. Once that panel is open, you'll be able to choose what kind of live data you want. Tradingview offers different data feeds depending on the asset class and the exchange. For example, you might see options for stocks, futures, indices, or forex, each tied to specific exchanges. Carefully review the list and decide whether you need live data for just one exchange, one asset type, or all available markets. If you're mainly trading one market, like a specific stock exchange, you can select live data only for that exchange to keep things simple and often cheaper. If you're more active across different markets, you might choose a broader option that covers all or multiple exchanges. Take a moment to think about which markets you actually trade, so you don't subscribe to data you won't use. After you've decided, go ahead and select the live data option you want from that list. Tradingview will usually guide you through any confirmation or subscription steps on screen. Just follow the prompts, agree to any required terms, and confirm your choice. Once everything is confirmed, head back to your chart. You should now see that the data source has updated, and any delay label should either disappear or change to indicate that you're on a real-time feed. Prices will update tick by tick as the market moves, giving you a much clearer and more accurate view. That's all there is to it. By clicking the symbol on the top left,